Experience smart innovation for modern living with Toshiba's new Torneo Vacuum Cleaner, the lightweight smart helper that's easy for users but tough on dirt. Despite its compact size, Torneo Vacuum Cleaner's dual tornado system gets the job done effortlessly. Tornado high-speed centrifuging creates a powerful spiral that separates dust and air, while Tornado low-speed centrifuging works to compress collected dust in the dust cup. This ensures suction power can sustain up to 2 hours of continuous operation compared to conventional bagged vacuum cleaners. Torneo Vacuum Cleaner's compact body weight is only 2.8 kg, making it easy and comfortable for heavy users and the elderly to lift around the house. The equipped FUTON brush comprises 4 flexible sticks that beat 16 times in a single rotation to effectively remove dust mites and particles on beddings and furniture. It is scientifically proven to reduce exposure to allergens, house dust mites, and pollen, certified by the British Allergy Foundation. Cleaning of the dust cup is easy. Just slide the knob to remove, dispose collected dust, and wash clean. As a safety precaution, the revolving brush of Toshiba Torneo Vacuum Cleaner will automatically stop the brush rotation when it is being lifted off the floor. Toshiba Torneo Vacuum Cleaner, thoughtfully designed for today's modern living. Toshiba, leading innovation.